Good evening, welcome to Alex News. Tonight we'll be discussing the dog seat from their point of view. But first, we have a live report from New York City where Hurricane Sandy is currently striking. Live from the storm is local weatherman Matthew McCullough.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Matthew McCullough, reporting live from New York inside the wrath of Hurricane Sandy, where, as you can see, she is not your average storm. On a night like tonight, you would typically be expecting to see children and their parents out trick-or-treating, but instead, there's nothing but the rain. Officials are saying that there will be flash floods and blackouts around the area. We won't be seeing much else tonight other than the wind, rain, and...
Well, anyways, here's the predicted forecast path for the hurricane that's supposed to hit along the East Coast. As you can see, the storm will be hitting absolute hardest around Carolinas area and southern New Jersey, as well as Delaware too, up in this little area. Oh yeah, and did I mention it'll go all the way up to Maine? It'll hit landfall around southern New Jersey, and it's predicted to go back into the ocean up into Maine. Officials are part of Maryland, but the storm itself spans from the Carolinas all the way up to Maine along the East Coast. Law enforcement and the government is advising everyone to evacuate, go somewhere more inland, or take shelter and stock up on supplies. It's set to hit as a Category 5 hurricane around 8 p.m. in southern New Jersey on Wednesday. Officials are advising a state of emergency to evacuate and go more inland. Because I don't know, y'all cook like very much cooked if you live in New Jersey.
Okay, I'm locking in, so be ready. Really expect to see children and their parents trick-or-treating. Instead... Alright, stop. You didn't put a hole in it? No. Do it! It's too hard on the hole. Oh. Oh shoot. Oh man, we're doing this like right on the power strip. The streets lie barren, save for the... Look out. You will not be seeing much tonight, save for the wind, rain, and...